Hello everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this lecture I'm going to show you this Kundali Milan application which is using GPT the backend. Right, so let's first see how it generates the Kundali, right, and then we are going to check out the code in the backend. So it's a very basic application from where you can learn about prompt engineering and what all things GPT can do. So this is one of the advantages of using GPT. I'm going to put my date of birth here. Once you're done with filling the details, you can just hit match Kundalis, and this is a kind of modal you'll get to see. So we'll have to wait for some time till the Kundali Milan result comes. Right, so this is how the Kundali Milan result comes on the front end in a Modal. So you can see we have covered almost all the points, right? Health alignment, family life outlook, planetary influencer, dosh, advice for relationship harmony, right? And if someone wants to download the PDF, so they can simply click this button, and that is how the PDF gets downloaded. So this is now when it comes to the coding part, here if you see, we are using this Flask. Okay, it's a Flask application. Then there is this OpenAI. We have created an environment variable where we have put the ChatGPT key, which we are pulling here. And then comes this match named route. So what happens is when you click that match Kundali, this is something which gets triggered. And this is a complete prompt that have been defined, okay, which is calculating the Kundali. And then we are simply presenting it to the front end on a Modal. So if you want to enhance it more, you want to enhance the Kundali, or you want to add more points, you can simply add it over here. Okay, and you can use this index.html file. You can further modify it. For example, if you want to add languages option, the Kundali can be generated in Hindi or Tamil, something like that. So that also you can do. Don't worry about the code. You'll find it in the description section below in the form of a GitHub link. Thank you very much. Hope you liked it. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day, guys.